Hi everybody, today I will show you how to build a continuous integration and a continuous delivery pipeline. Okay, continuous integration is about to merge the developer's change back to the main branch as often as possible. And the continuous delivery is an extension of continuous integration to make sure that you can release new change to your customers. With the continuous delivery, you can decide to release daily, weekly, or whatever. Okay. Here in the Azure account, after you have launched your Cloud Shell, and I have created my Python virtual environment. This is my GitHub repo. You can now run a local test by running make all. Make all is a command from Makefile. You can see the files here. This is the Makefile, and the make all command is here. I can show you here. Got Makefile here, and make all will install pip and lint, pylint, some lint test and test, some Python test, pytest. Okay, and when you run make all, I can run it here to show it. Make all. You can see the test is passed here. Now to perform the continuous integration remotely, I had to configure GitHub actions as shown here. I had to replace the email file, and you see the build is passed. I can show you here, and if I run the test with pytest, it shown is passed here, and lint, it's okay, no problem. You can see the remote tests is passed. Now back to the Azure account. Now I will show you the continuous delivery. This will involve setting up an Azure pipelines to deploy the Flask starter code to Azure app services. You can check my repo to download the Flask starter code, or fork my repo. So after I created my application, you can see my repo how I did it. You can see here, for example, all researchers. This is my app, Flask project, and if I let me clean here, and if I run it, I open it in a new window. You can see that it's running. Now to verify that the service is serving the traffic correctly, you have to run the file make predict azure app.sh. Now back to the Azure Cloud Shell. This is the script file to run. to run. You say enter, type, and as shown here, you can see that I did get the value of the prediction. Now it's about to make the continuous delivery, and to deploy it to Azure Apps Service from Azure Pipelines, you need to establish a service connection between the two services. If you go to the devazure.com, here, and after you have I did it here. This is my project, Flask machine learning project. You can here open your project and write name and a description. Now to create the service connection, you go from your project you have created here, and project settings, select pipelines, service connections, new service connections, and just a services manager. Next, and take this one, service person automatic recommended. As you can see, you'll be prompted here to log in your account, and after you have did it all and put your research group, you can it's very important to have the service connection name here. You can see that I have did it here, and with the name of Flask machine learning project service. You can see it here. And here my service connection of type Azure Research Manager is ready for Azure Pipelines to use from the project. Now, we are going to enable a continuous deployment with Azure Pipelines, which allow us to have a deep integration with deploying code automatically. Now back to your project and pipelines, new pipeline, and you can, where is your code here in the GitHub or where the code is lying. For me is GitHub. And this is my repo, and you can choose your pipeline. You configure my plan. You can take this one. Starter pipeline is on basic, but I took this one, Python to Linux on Azure, and select your free trial or your Azure account. If you continue, you will be prompted to enter your credentials, and after, as I said, you will prompt to enter your GitHub password again as confirmation, and then GitHub prompts you to install the Azure Pipelines extension, and after on the I have did it, but on the configure your pipeline screen, you can select Python to Linux web and Azure. Your new pipelines appears when prompted. Select the Azure subscription in which you created your web app. and then select continue. Then select the web app name and select validate and configure. I have did it. This will be commit directly into your GitHub repo, and it will run like GitHub actions. You can see that I have got my the YAML file in my repo here. Oh no, here. This one. And when you run your pipeline, for example, I'm here to my project. Pipelines. This one. And if I, for example, I can change something in the code here. For example, this one. App. If I change here it's given prediction and test again and again, and it's given we'll edit here, and if I change something again to necessarily for demo, just an example to see the continuous integration, and write directly and commit my change here. Change for demo, commit change. I go back to the pipeline. If I run my pipeline, you see the change for demo. I did it, and we wait just few seconds. We'll pause the video. The build is terminated now. You see it's completed, but we wait for the deployment of the application. I will pause the video just in a few seconds. Now, as you can see, the deployment job is success. And if I go to back to the my app and running, you can see that the change is shown here on the application. Continuous delivery for demo, as I made the change on the here for demo. And finally, I can show you here. You can inspect the logs just from the URL here. Is the app name and dot SSCM. SSCM as website.net. I go to API logs Docker. was. Here we go. Now you can see that this is the logs. Or you can stream them from the Cloud Shell here using az command, az web log tail. And if I refresh the application here, I will get a response here. You can see here. And finally here, after I have done with the demo, I can go back to my Trello board and take the task here, demo done here. Yes. Okay, and in case you are wondering about something, you can check my repo or fork my repo too. Okay, bye.